With our backend complete, let's quickly build out our front end. It's going to be a very simple front end that just uses Bootstrap and jQuery, and we'll limit it to only 2 views. The first being the index.html file, which contains a view of just a registration form in order to authenticate the bot, and the second being quotes.html, which will contain a view that displays all of the records in the database. Next, we'll wire up our index.html file with JavaScript contained in app.js. An important thing to note is that we're only creating a view to register the bot user. However, in a production application, you should of course include a login view as well, in order to differentiate the handling of your authentication given that you've already registered the device. In handling the registration of the bot on the client side, the first thing we're going to do is authenticate with our username and password. And then we're going to take the registering URL that's returned and continue to ping that endpoint until either we receive a completed status indicating that we were able to connect with another device and register this device, or until our interval times out. If our interval times out, then we'll go ahead and re-register the account. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of styling to that loader div in order to make it a spinner using some CSS3 capabilities. Finally, let's go ahead and build our quotes view. I'm going to keep the JavaScript inline since all we need is a pretty simple GET request to that quotes API endpoint. We've built a complete bot on Forsta that can retrieve stock prices for users. Let's go ahead and spin up the stock bot from scratch, including with a fresh database. We hope this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge you need in order to start building cool bots of your own on Forsta.